Welcome back to the Crochet Crowd, as well as my friends over at yarnspirations.com and joanne.com, and I have a suggestion for those that are working on the stitch along. So we have week number 2 and we have the popcorns popping out. You know, you can really do these popcorns as a separate color completely, so they really truly pop out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm just going to show you just joining. So if you're going to do this concept, start in the first round that the popcorn appears and then add the color in, and then you'll get rid of that and then you'll rejoin it back then when you're going to do the popcorn again. So let's just show you how to be able to do this, and I'm just going to rip out and I'm going to show you. So let me begin to show you how to make the popcorns itself a different color, but the background still saying the gold. So we're going to start up the next round, and you can do this every time, and you can do this in rows as well. So you can just chain up 3, which counts as a double crochet, and we know the next one is a double crochet, but we want to get it prepared for the popcorn that's in the third one. So we're going to double crochet, but we're not going to finish it all the way. So we're just going to pull through 2 and then just make sure that there's 2 left on the hook. So now I want you to grab the new color and just create a slip knot and insert that onto the hook and pull through. So this blue now is the top of your next popcorn. I want you to let your straggler fall down on top of the line, as well as the gold that we're just gonna put on hold for a moment. We're just gonna drag it along underneath so that we don't see it, and we're gonna do 5 double crochets into the next one. So just make sure everything's nice and taut. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th one, but you cannot ever finish the 5th one. You have to change that color first. So once you get your 2 loops on there, I want you to drop the blue and let the straggler now fall out of the way and just grab the gold. So the gold is what you're going to finish with, and now just go into the first one of the group of 5, insert the hook in and grab the gold and pull it backward through it. So now the next 2 we know of are going to be double crochets. So using the gold, go up over top of the blue. So this is the blue leading to the yarn ball, and you're gonna do 2 of those. So 1, but you can't finish the second one all together because we've got to change back to popcorn. So we're gonna go into the second one, pull through, and we're gonna let the gold drop and bring up the blue and use the blue to finish, because the popcorn is the next one up. So it basically is popcorn, 2 double crochet popcorn. So then we're using the blue and doing another grouping of 5 double crochets. Make sure that you pull these stitches a little bit taut when you go to do that, or pull the carrying strings underneath. Remember, you can never truly do all 5. You can only do 4.5 double crochets. So you have to stop on the last one where there's 2 loops, let the blue drop, pull up the gold, use the gold to finish, let the blue fall back down on the line. Go back to the first one or the group of 5, pull through, and now just kind of pull things taut, and the next 2 are gold again. But you can never finish the second one because it's gonna be popcorn again. So you drop the gold, pick up the blue, and then use the blue again for more popcorn. So what this is doing is it's isolating the colors completely so that the popcorn is the one jumping. That's what it looks like on the back. You just gotta weave in this starting strand. So remember, the popcorns in this particular one here are made up of 5 double crochets. Sometimes that's different. Remember, you can never finish all 5. You have to drop it. Use the gold for the last one. Go in the top, pull through. Go in the next 2 with the gold. Just like that. And then what you want to do is drop it again because the popcorn is next again. So yeah, it's a little more work, but you know what? These really would make eye-popping color for you as well, and I think it'd be kind of fun, and I know people are gonna probably try this eventually once people start suggesting it, and this is how you do it. I know people are gonna ask me how to do it, how it's done too. Nobody's asked me at this time of filming, but I figured I'm gonna jump ahead. So I've just made a mistake. Remember the last one, I have to make sure I change back to gold. So I'm yapping to you too much, so there you go, and then go back to the first and then pull through. So what we want to do is that we want to carry the blue now, is that we are just gonna go around the corner. So we're just gonna finish this off. The corners for this particular one are all the same. There's 2 double crochets, so keep that blue going with you. 1, 2, chain 2, keep that blue down on the line, do another 2, and then the first 2 again are double crochet, but we're gonna switch over on the second one, drop it and bring back the blue again and do another popcorn. So this would be how you complete this if you're interested, and that's all there is to it. And just to clarify one point, once you get all the way around on this, what you want to do is fasten off the yarn right on the end, and then you're going to go to the next 2 rounds with just using gold without having to carry the blue 2 rounds that you don't need to. So only bring in the blue when you need to for making the popcorn. So until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of the Crochet Crowd as well as yarnspirations.com. Bye bye.